Welcome back to Tappya Product Tutorials. In this session, we're going deep into the heart of your operations, the catalog. Before we start, let's look at the Tappya ecosystem. Think of the master catalog as your warehouse. It's the single source of truth for all items and default prices. By default, Tappya creates a default menu that mirrors the catalog perfectly. However, you can create custom menus for specific contexts like happy hour or delivery, where you can choose specific items and even override their prices without changing the master record. Every item follows a clear hierarchy. It starts with a category to organize your screen. Inside is the item itself. To define the core version of a product, we use variants, like a small or large size. Finally, we use modifiers for optional add-ons, like extra cheese or no sauce. Our assignment today is to build the ultimate burger item. We'll create the category, the base item, set up size variants, and configure two distinct modifier groups with specific rules. Let's start by organizing. Head over to the Catalog section in the sidebar and select Category. Click Create Category in the top right. We'll name this one Burgers. Make sure the category is set as active and click Save and Continue. Now, let's add our product. Go to Items and select Add Item. We'll name this the Classic Burger and assign it to our new Burgers category. Tappya's built-in AI can help with your menu copy. Just click Generate with AI to create a mouth-watering description automatically. Need to serve a diverse audience? You can easily generate translations for your descriptions. Let's add a Spanish version here. Next, under Pricing and Stock, we'll set our base price to $10.00. Now for the structure. Head to Variations and Modifiers. First, we'll add a default variant group for sizes. We'll create single patty as the default with no price change. Then we'll add a double patty for an additional $3 and a triple patty for $6 more. Next, let's set up our first modifier group, Bun Choice. For this, we'll set the minimum and maximum selection to 1. This forces the customer to choose exactly one option. We'll add brioche, sesame, and lettuce wrap as our choices. Our second group is toppings. Here, we'll set the minimum to 0 and the maximum to 3. Remember, the maximum is a hard limit on total selections from this group. We'll include free items like pickles and onions, but we can also add premium modifiers like cheese for $1 and bacon for $2. You can also set a max QT per specific modifier if you want to limit how many times a single topping can be added. Now, let's see how menus work. Go to the Menus tab. We already have our default menu, but let's create a special menu. We can select exactly which items from our catalog should appear here. We'll add our burgers, some staggers, and our pizzas. This is where Tappya gets powerful. When you edit an item inside a custom menu, you can override its price for just that menu. For example, in this special menu, we might want to change the price of the double patty from $3 to $4 without changing our master warehouse records. For bulk changes, use the spreadsheet view. It's the fastest way to edit prices across your entire menu in seconds. Once you're done, click Save All. Your catalog is organized, structured, and ready for business. See you in the next tutorial.